Model, 62-plate IVECO daily 35S11 short wheelbase, 2.3 HDI spares OR repairs clutch is slipping grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 115641. MOT, 26 April 2024. Engine, 2287 cc F1AE348-1J. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, still drives but the clutch is slipping. Easy fix for someone who knows what they are doing, smiley face. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, reversing camera, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.